more. Today we have a special thing. Today we're gonna do a challenge.
Of candy.
Yeah, it's gonna be the Mexican challenge. Just like basically the Mexican basically.
I love you so much.
It's like the spiciest candy. So we picked a lot of them. So yeah. So we're gonna do this first up. Let's do it. Okay, the first one we're gonna do this one.
Oh.
It's called Vero elotes. Elotes. Elotes is like basically corn.
Corn.
So yeah.
Yeah.
And then this is how it looks like.
Yeah.
So okay. So we are gonna take it out.
So we're gonna take it out. I don't know if I open it. You open it.
Take it out with your teeth. Wait. Oh, there you go.
What? This out. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna save this for later. So. Epic fail.
This one is good. I don't know if it was gonna good.
Okay.
I love you. I love you. What?
She's a crazy person.
I'm the Cookie Monster. Okay, I got it. I don't know if this is like
Just.
Okay, it's just like that.
Okay. Ready, set.
Go.
We're gonna taste it. Ready, set, go.
It tastes good.
We're gonna give you a 1 to 10 spice scale. Okay.
It's like mandarin.
Mandarin.
Yeah. Okay, it's good.
I like it.
We're gonna.
It's not that spicy. It's not even spicy. It's just basically like lemon.
It is good. See?
More salty, no?
See that? Look at that.
We're gonna save it for later.
Yeah. Eat it for later.
So we're gonna put them right here.
Oy. I like it.
Okay. Now we're gonna taste this one called. How do you say this?
Reyerindos.
I don't know people.
Reyerindos.
Oh my god. Okay, so whoever speaks Spanish, I speak Spanish too, but I can't really read it. So
I like
yeah.
that thing though.
So whatever Reyerindos, I don't know. Basically, it has tamarind. It has tamarind on it. And artificially
That's why I'm
flavored
big. See?
hard candy with
I'm big like
spice
that.
full
When I was
filling.
little, we were eating candy, sour candy.
Okay, here. Woo! It's red. It's red.
I don't know.
You haven't even tasted it. So don't say anything. Okay, here's a piece.
Here's
This is
that.
this is how it
I
looks
hope
like.
you can't see it, guys.
This is how it looks like, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
It tastes good. It tastes good. Jim. Mandarino.
This is basically the good one.
Let me see.
What's the taste?
Oh my god. It is
Do you want
amazing.
tea?
So delicious.
Can I give
Oh
you
my
a kiss?
god, I'm
Can I
gonna
kiss?
save this for later. This is good. It tastes like.
Can I?
This tastes like chili and tamarind. So it's good. It's good. It's actually pretty
The
good.
last one is.
Okay, I'm gonna save this for later.
So the last one is this.
No, not last one. We still have more. Okay, so we're gonna taste this one. It's called Pelon Mini. It's tamarind flavor too. So yeah, you just take out the cap. Pretty easy. So you just squish it like this. And
Oh.
it's, you have to take it.
Help Katie.
Just
Ayuda.
push it. Yeah, like that. Push it. Yeah, see? Yeah.
Let me see. ¿Cómo sale? Mm.
This, look.
Push.
I like it. I tried it.
I actually like it. And it's good. It's actually pretty good. But it doesn't taste like tamarind. Right?
Katie should like it a lot.
Oh my gosh. We
Like
bought
a lot
this.
of candy.
We've tasted this before, but not all of those. Oh, we taste one. But we haven't. We taste this. This is like her favorite candy. So we bought these huge ones, like this big. This big.
I guess.
Not that big, but it's this big. It's like this big. And then she even finished one in one day.
Katie, no.
In one day.
Okay.
So we're gonna put this right here.
Why?
Because okay, fine. We're gonna put it right here. Okay, then now.
En la cama.
Okay. What is that
Okay,
Here's the other one.
we're gonna taste. Okay, so basically, this is the extra hot and salted tamarind. This is the extra hot one.
Pulparindo.
It's called
Pulpa.
pulparindo.
Purparindo.
And then we have this one, the original one. It's just like
Pulparindo.
pulparindo.
Purparindo.
Everything say pulparindo.
Pulparindo.
Good job.
Okay, so this is the original one, okay? Ready, set, go.
Just a little bit of me. Here, I'm gonna show you how it's good.
It's basically